Hello student, this is the question comes in the GATE 2005, 1 mark. He is asking about the table field has 5 attribute F1, F2, F3, F4, F5 and the FDs is given F1 to F3, F2 to F4 and F1, F3 to F5, and he is asking about the normal form. So first we find the candidate key. What is the candidate key here? F1 and F2, because not only F1 you can determine all attribute or neither from F2. So F1 say F3, F2 say F4 and F1, F3 to F5. So the candidate key is F1, F2, and non-prime attribute F3, F4 and F5. Now he is asking about in term of normalization the table is in. Yes, definitely it is in 1NF because we can determine here candidate key. For a 2NF we have to check if there is a partial dependency or not. How we check the partial dependency? What is the meaning of partial dependency? Proper subset of candidate key to proper subset of candidate key to non-key attribute. Getting my point? So here you can see what is the proper subset of F1 and F2? Either F1 or F2, and this is the non-key attribute. So we have to check either from F1 or from F2 you are getting non-key attribute or not. So here you can see F1 to F3 and F2 to F4, this make a partial dependency. Proper subset of one candidate key to non-key attribute. So the relation is not in 2NF, it is in only 1NF. Getting my point? Here you can see the key is F1, F2 and F1 to F3 and F2 to F4 are partial dependency. So not in 2NF, only 1NF. Getting my point? Okay, thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.